Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the magic circle. So for this tutorial, you'll be needing any crochet hook of your choice. You need a pair of scissors and you need some yarn in any weight and color. So let's get started. Okay, so you grab onto your crochet hook and the end of your yarn to start. So you're going to place the yarn on your index finger with the end of the yarn facing you and the rest of the yarn behind your finger. It should look something like this. Okay, that's it. The end of the yarn should be pinched between your index finger and your thumb. Next, you grab onto the end of the yarn and wrap it around the right portion of your finger. That should look something like this. So when you've done that, you're going to have two loops on your finger. It seems complicated now, but feel free to pause and practice it, and over here I'll be doing it again so that you can understand better. Okay, like I said earlier, you take the end of the yarn and you place it on your finger, on your index finger, with the end of the yarn rather facing you and the rest of the yarn behind your finger. So you grab onto the end of the yarn and you wrap it around the right portion of your finger. With that, you have two loops on your finger. So next, you're going to pick up your crochet hook and you're going to pull the left loop through the right hoop. So you insert your hook into the right loop, you pick up the left loop on your hook and you just pull it through the right loop. You should have one loop remaining on your crochet hook. You can take out your finger from the ring right now. You don't have to, whatever feels comfortable for you. Next, you yarn over and chain one. There you have it, your magic circle. There's nothing too complicated about this tutorial. At this point, I'm chaining up two more and I'm going to be working double crochet stitches into the circle. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be seeing you again next week with a new tutorial. Bye for now.